Hey, what's up everyone? Did you know that using the wrong chain lube on your e-bike could literally cut your drivetrain's life in half? Yeah, it's that serious. Today, we're diving into the top best chain lubes for e-bikes you can buy right now on Amazon. Whether you're riding through mud, city streets, or dry desert dust, there's a perfect option for your bike here. So, stay tuned till the end, because the comparisons will help you decide which one actually deserves a spot in your toolkit. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. On number 6, WD-40 Specialist Bike Chain Lube, 2.5 ounces. Here's a product that every cyclist has probably heard of, but few realize just how convenient it is for quick fixes. The WD-40 Specialist Bike Chain Lube is all about speed and simplicity. Its aerosol format makes application fast, covering every link in seconds. Perfect for busy commuters or casual riders who don't have time for deep cleaning or long prep work. However, its ease comes at a cost. The overspray can be messy, and it doesn't last long under wet conditions. Compared to something like the Squirt e-bike chain wax, WD-40 feels more like an instant fix rather than a long-term solution. It's quiet and smooth initially, but you'll find yourself reapplying it more often. Still, for the price and sheer convenience, it's a great grab-and-go option for those quick maintenance sessions when you just want to ride, not wrench. On number 5, Squirt e-bike chain. Wax, 120 milliliters. If performance and cleanliness are your top priorities, this one's a game changer. The Squirt e-bike chain. Wax is specially formulated for e-bikes, meaning it can handle that extra torque your motor puts on the drivetrain. Its wax and water emulsion creates a tough, long-lasting layer that stays clean and smooth. Unlike WD-40, this lube doesn't attract grime or form that nasty black sludge. But yes, it requires patience. You'll need a spotless chain and a few hours to let it cure. The result? A silky, quiet chain that stays protected for longer rides. In fact, it's far more durable than traditional oil lubes, especially in dry or mixed conditions. Think of it this way: WD-40 gives you convenience, while Squirt gives you longevity and premium protection. It's the perfect investment for serious e-bike riders who prefer performance and cleanliness over shortcuts. On number 4, Finish Line Wet Bicycle Chain. Lube, 4 ounces. Here's where toughness meets endurance. The Finish Line Wet Lube is the heavyweight of this lineup, built for riders who face constant rain, mud, or grime. This thick, oil-based lube sticks like glue and refuses to wash off, ideal for harsh conditions. It outlasts almost every competitor in wet weather, offering whisper-quiet performance and rust-free protection for hundreds of miles. But it's not all sunshine. This stuff attracts dirt like a magnet, meaning frequent cleaning is a must. When compared to Squirt or Muc-Off Bio-Dry Lube, Finish Line Wet trades a spotless look for unmatched staying power. So if you live where it rains more often than not, or you're a mountain biker braving muddy trails, this lube is your chain's best friend. It's not pretty, but it's powerful. On number 3, Dry Bike Chain. Wax Lube, 4 ounces. For those who love a spotless, low-maintenance chain, this one stands out. The Dry Bike Chain. Wax Lube uses ceramic nanoparticles and PTFE to deliver smooth, friction-free performance. It's made for dry, dusty conditions, forming a protective dry film that resists dirt buildup. You get an ultra-quiet chain, smoother pedaling, and almost no grime. Compared to Finish Line Wet, This lube feels cleaner and more refined, but it can't handle rain. Once the skies open up, you'll need to reapply. It's like the polar opposite of wet lubes. It favors a cleaner chain and lower friction, but sacrifices water resistance. Some riders might dislike its PTFE content due to environmental concerns, which is where eco-friendly options like Muc-Off have the upper hand. Still, for dry weather riders, this one's a dream. Minimal mess, maximum smoothness. On number 2, Muc-Off Bio Dry Bike Chain Lube. If eco-friendly performance matters to you, this one checks all the boxes. Muc-Off Bio Dry Lube offers a wax-based, biodegradable formula that's free from Teflon or harsh chemicals. It's all about cleanliness and smooth shifting. It goes on wet, but dries into a protective layer that keeps dirt away, making your drivetrain last longer and run quieter. The included microfiber cloth makes cleanup effortless. Compared to the dry bike chain wax lube, Muc-Off is a bit softer in terms of durability. You'll need to reapply more often, but it's safer for the environment and your hands. Think of it as the cleanest option here. Perfect for fair weather riders who want a shiny chain and zero toxic residue. It may not be the most durable, but its smoothness and eco-credentials make it one of the most loved choices among everyday cyclists. On number 1, all conditions. Bike Chain Lube, 120 milliliters. Finally, the all-rounder that does it all. The All Conditions Bike Chain. Lube is built for versatility, rain or shine, e-bike or regular. It provides reliable protection, smooth shifting, and excellent rust prevention. Unlike Muc-Off, which requires curing, this one is ready to go instantly. Just apply, wipe off the excess, and you're good to ride. No waiting. It's thicker than dry lubes, meaning it'll pick up a bit more dust, but that's a small price to pay for its all-weather resilience. In simple terms, WD-40 is quick but short-lived. Squirt and Muc-Off are clean but high maintenance, and Finish Line is durable but messy. The All Conditions Bike Chain Lube strikes the perfect balance between them all. Easy to use, reliable in any weather, and ideal for commuters who just want to lube and ride. So there you have it. The best chain lubes for e-bikes that keep your drivetrain running smooth and strong, no matter where you ride. Which one would you pick for your bike? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. And subscribe for more gear guides coming your way. All the links are in the description. Go check them out.